This video is about total knee replacements. Total knee replacements are a surgical option for managing arthritic pain when all other measures have failed. The other measures include painkillers, physiotherapy, knee bracing. When you have arthritis in your knee, it can be sometimes confined to one compartment or one part of the knee, and sometimes it can affect the whole of the knee. Some patients, when the arthritis is confined to one area, may be suitable for a partial knee replacement. But for patients where the arthritis is involving all the aspects of the knee, they then usually go down the route of having a total knee replacement. For some patients, particularly if they're younger, we have knee preservation techniques such as osteotomy surgery, which is realignment of the knee to try and offload the arthritic areas and provide pain relief. Not everyone is suitable for this, but this is something that I would assess when I meet you. In the older patients, we have more predictable results with knee replacement surgery, and part of your assessment would be to see what kind of knee surgery you can be offered. You may be offered a partial knee replacement or a total knee replacement, and this will be based on the pattern of the arthritis found in your knee. They're both very good operations at relieving pain. In a knee replacement, what we do is to resurface the knee. So we have to open your knee up, go through the skin and the muscles to gain access to the bones, and then the ends of the bones where you have worn away cartilage, which normally cover it and give it a smooth surface, we reshape the end of the bone and place a new metal cap on the end of the thigh bone and the same metal plate on the top of the shin bone. In the gap between the bones, we put a plastic liner. So you have a new metal surface on the end of the thigh bone running on a plastic liner that's sitting in the middle. That recreates a smooth surface for the knee to function relatively normally and to take away the bone rubbing on bone, which causes a lot of the arthritic pain that you will be experiencing. In terms of the operations themselves, they're done using an anaesthetic, which is usually now an injection in the back, but you can be given some medication to be put to sleep while you're having the surgery. The surgery itself takes a couple of hours, and most patients can go home within 2 days. The first 2 to 3 weeks after a knee replacement surgery are very painful, so you will be given regular pain relief and advised to take that for that period. But usually after the first 2 to 3 weeks, things improve quite quickly. It can take up to a year to fully get over a knee replacement, and during that time, you will be doing rehabilitation exercises with the physiotherapist, and you will be able to walk around.